Hi there, welcome. I'm Nina and I share Instant Pot and air fryer recipes on my blog paintkitchenred.com. Today I'm going to be making an almond cake. This almond cake is normally made in the oven, but in the summertime when I don't want to turn on the oven, I like to make it in the air fryer. So I've adapted the recipe for the air fryer, but you could make it in the oven by doubling the ingredients and baking at 350 degrees for 1 hour. I love this recipe because it's like a giant almond cookie and it's so chewy and delicious. So let's get started. You're going to need 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of sliced almonds, 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, that's 3/4 of a stick, and that's at room temperature. Pinch of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of almond extract, 1 egg at room temperature, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix the butter and sugar together in a bowl and beat at medium speed until light and creamy. Don't use high speed. Add in the egg and beat some more until combined. Add in the vanilla and almond extracts, and finally add in the flour that's been mixed with some salt. Beat until it's incorporated, but don't overmix. Scrape the sides of the bowl with a spatula periodically and transfer the batter to a 7-inch pan that's been lined with parchment paper. Use a spatula to gently even out the batter. Sprinkle the top of the batter with the almonds and transfer the pan to your air fryer. I'm using an Instant Pot air fryer in this video, but you can use a basket style air fryer too. Air fry at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. If you're using a basket style air fryer, reduce the temperature by about 10 degrees. Use a toothpick to check that it's done and transfer the pan to a rack and let the cake cool completely before you cut into it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I do. It's really one of my favorite cakes to make.